How to delete search history on Google Chrome. So if you want to delete your search history on Google Chrome, then first of all open up your Google Chrome browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And after opening your Google Chrome, on the upper right corner you will have a three dots icon. Click on that and then click on history. And now click on history. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now if you want to delete a single history, then you can simply click on that box and then you can choose the three dots icon and click on remove from history. But if you want to remove all of your search history at once, then you can simply click on clear browsing data and then you can click on clear data. And that's it. That's how you delete your search history on Google Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.